Alright, so this is a quick demonstration of so far capabilities of the project. Just gonna dig right into it. Uh, start out little start menu. Uh, Aesthetically, things are gonna be pretty like blocky. We're gonna teleport to the development lab. It's just where everything's all sitting out. Um, all right, so uh, we've got a whole bunch of different stuff to look at. Uh, Definitely one of the goals with giving all this stuff to the user is like one piece at a time. Because otherwise they just get lost in it. Like right now it's kind of hard to find your way around, but uh, starting out, uh, you have a little like basically this is kind of gonna guide you through. I think I'm gonna want to add like some extra menu stuff onto it. I developed this pretty early on, so it's not a very extensive uh, guide basically. But it starts out tells you you have a black sample and you want to weigh it uh, by using the scale on the red table. All right, so we go over to our sample table and we get the black one. And now we're going to go on over. $26.4 grams. And put it into the computer. And we send. Nice job. And now how long is it? So you take your ruler, grab it from that end, and we're gonna grab our sample, and we got about 4 point. I'm gonna call that 4.2 inches. Uh, you are supposed to round, but I need to indicate that though. 4.2. And how wide? And you can just keep going with that. Um, but yeah. Ooh, and see like $20. So how wide is it? One. And you earn money when you answer questions properly. And then there's a little shop over here. I haven't spent too much time on much time at all on actually like making things purchasable. Cause like right now it's more about like functionality of all the tools and stuff. But you can hit a little button and it'll like give you more money or make you spend money. Um, and then the pause menu. Uh, I've been doing it in kind of an enclosed space, so it just floats out there, and then if you hit the pause button, it pops up close to you, and you can uh, reset or quit. Um, yeah, but if you go out into open space out here, it's floating out there. Um, yeah, so as far as other testing stations go, yeah, let's grab both of them as well. All right, this is our conductivity testing station. So, basically, we have 110 constant voltage source, and two different samples. This one's just a metal. This one's, shiny. We would probably label it as some sort of metal or something like that. I'll be wind up probably giving the samples one at a time or two at a time, like for comparisons uh, or whatever. But uh, since we're doing a demonstration, there's a whole bunch of them out here, and they're not for particular materials right now. Um, but if you look, this is 3 ohms resistance through this. It's gonna yield 36.66 amps. See, like there's a little I need to uh set that up so it's rounding properly. But let me also, oh yeah, and kind of most important part is like well, not most important, yeah, but I like it. These little lights that go off. Like this is only 1 ohm of resistance. Ooh. Hmm. All right. So with 3 ohms of resistance, uh, and 3 lights light up. Uh, so if we increase or if we decrease our resistance, then we're going to increase the amount of lights that glow. Uh, I feel like that kind of gives like a little bit of Interesting. A little bit of a connection between the fact, huh, yeah, not sure why that's blinking on and off, but I feel like that'll give a good connection between the fact that ohms and resistance are decreasing the amount of electricity that's flowing. Um, hmm. So, what else do we have? Tensile test. Um, so our tensile tester, we can take one of our samples and see. I'm really looking forward to getting sounds going off because it'd be really nice to like the machine's going, be like woo, and then like a little like sound at the end, like make it sound like it broke. Um, yeah. Uh, like right now, uh, I've only had the animations working for a little while, uh, so they just kind of float in the air. Uh, but with the square samples, I had them so that gravity doesn't gravity comes back into play when you pull them off. So that's a pretty quick fix. But there's tons of little things that need to get fixed here and there. Uh, it's kind of the whole process. There's a little menu right here. Seeing tutorials. Um, I haven't implemented the scripts really yet. So when you go into your tutorials, there every page has the same stuff on them. As you change pages. Um, what else do we have? Oh, compression tester. Um, this one's a little bit wonky still. I need to fix up and make sure that they stick together. But you get a nice compression. Uh, this would be like if you have like a polymer kind of sample or something like that, something that'll get real mushy. Um, what else do we have? Furnace and the liquid nitrogen. All right, so right now, I mean, I really want to get some kind of like tongs or something like that set up. Uh, I spent just way too much time trying to get a hose to work, like something that would hang, so you could fill up the liquid nitrogen yourself. Um, but I've kind of put that to the side for now because you can only spend so much time on things in one place. Um, I've got these like little oven mitts. Um, they're not like snapping into use. They kind of like the like wherever you pick them up, that's where they where you're holding them from. But you can use them to put this over in here, or not. I just drop it, huh? Yeah. But I want to get like some kind of like tong tool, and then just have it snap onto here for picking up the hot and cold samples. Because I feel like that'll bring a little bit of genuine, you know, uh, atmosphere to it. I also want to have setting up the liquid nitrogen. Uh, because it seems feasible, but kind of a stretch goal, you know. Um, yeah. Um, all right. So pop this in here, and yeah, if you don't before you break them, they stay uh they have gravity, but afterwards they just float. All right. Make sure it turns on, and that blue effect that you're getting, that's my boundaries for the VR. It does that in order to tell me where I am, so I don't smack into things. Yeah, and so I can make sure that I don't get too turned around. All right, and this one was cold, and it got a little bit more. It got a clean break. It really barely stretched. Um, it's hard to tell, but like we've got like a little bit of cupping there, which is kind of indicative of a ductile break. Um, yeah. Hmm. Then we could run the furnace real quick. Um, put that in there. Open. 1 second. It's all tangled up. Alright. So, back to it. Our heated sample. And stretch way out. So it actually goes a little bit further than I have it set up to. Yeah. And then this is the original. Yeah, I have them set up so they start slow, like real slow, and then they incrementally get faster. Oh yeah, and I've got like little tensile test. This is a stress strain graph. Long term, I want to just have them kind of pop out. Like as if they're printed. Um, it doesn't seem too hard, but another thing, just time. A lot of little stuff. Otherwise, so I just got lab asset recently. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm looking forward to kind of filling it out. Putting some actual textures on the stuff that I've made so far too. Cause like even like I mean these are pretty simple textures, but they really just like they have a nice kind of like this feels like a real laboratory. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to doing a little bit of modeling to kind of get stuff to suit the shape. Gonna wind up using this actually as the our uh, our furnace, but there's no colliders on any of this stuff yet. It's pretty quick to add it in, but just a lot of like little stuff I'm gonna have to do to make it work. Like this door here, kind of we gotta cut out the frame, uh, like just in a separate program, so we can make it so we can walk through it, and you take advantage of the whole space. Because it'd be nice to put the store kind of in the back here, have it set up, like maybe label it like a school store or something like that, and then like you start out with your own lab and it's empty. Oh, this was, by the way, it started out filled with tons of just like beakers and stuff like that. Uh, but I pretty much got rid of all that just to like make it clean and easy to use. But yeah, yeah, and I'm gonna have to put some kind of wall way out there so that the menus don't pop up, you know. But yeah, that's about it so far. So yep. Thanks. Hope you're having a good summer, and yeah.